Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Huge shout out Sopiguard once again giving me the opportunity to represent. They sent me a couple skins for my Google Pixel 6a. I will leave all the information down below in the description area that you will need to purchase either one of the skins that I have that I will show off today. I'm actually going to mix and match, or you can check out a whole catalog of skins over at the Sopiguard website. Again, all the information down below in the description area. You're not going to pay a lot of money to customize, to beautify your Google Pixel 6a, which actually helps protect the back of the device. So you're not just going to get a good looking skin or skins that you want to mix and match for your 6a, but it's going to protect all of that back area at the same time. Nothing like protecting your investment. The skins that we have, so we can get a good look at what's inside this beautiful envelope. Sopiguard. We have an alcohol prep pad, the famous microcloth that comes with the Sopiguard brand name. I have many of these, and we're going leather. Let me give you a really close look at the texture of these skins. Looks like the real deal to me. So I'm still deciding on how I want to mix and match these skins here. Well, I'm going to have to figure that out really quick here. On the back of the envelope, thank you for your purchase. Please visit sopiguard.com for installation guide. Or you can simply watch my video. Or you can watch both. Either way, if you've never applied a skin, you just want to have a lot of patience and have fun doing it. Now, along with the microcloth and the alcohol prep pad, you will need something like this. This is a rubbery pad that comes in most packaging of screen protectors that you purchase these days over at Amazon. Inside of the packaging, you'll get these little rubbery pads that help your device stay in place when you're applying a screen protector. I save them for the purpose of applying a skin. It helps keep my smartphones in place. Better than this desk here. It's going to slide around on the desk if I was just to use the desk. So that helps out a lot. And a blow dryer. When using a blow dryer, make sure you're moving the blow dryer around constantly. You don't want that heat sitting in one place, which can damage your smartphone. It can damage the skin, but more importantly, it can cause damage to your phone. So you want that heat, however you want to do it, like that, or like this, or like this, whatever, man. What you're doing is heating up the adhesive on the back of the skin so it can adhere to the back of whatever smartphone you're putting the skin on. So that's very, very important. It's about having fun and having patience. And with that, let's begin the process. That looks really nice. That looks really nice. All right, so we're going to put on the frame of the Poetic Guardian because I need protection, and put the back on. Oh no, got a little speck in there. All right, there we go. There we go. You can see Sopiguard black leather skin up there and the white skin here at the bottom, giving me the Panda look. See-through back with the Guardian here from Poetic. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Again, everything you need to know in the description area to purchase either the black or white leather skin from Sopiguard. Huge shout out once again to them for giving me the opportunity. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I am out.